Hey guys, today I decided to play this game called Camping 3. New camping, I don't know when it was made, I don't care. And yeah, I like doing these solos when I'm not really doing them with friends or family, so let's just see if I can do this solo. And what I mean by let's see is if somebody tries to join. I had to say it. I had to say it. I had to say it. I just did. And now everybody's here. So, yeah. We can leave. Now I'm going to cut this out because waiting's boring. Alright, fams. We got 4 people and we're going into this foggy void where I can't see anything. Well, we could peek. Why does that sound familiar? And nobody, no, oh, okay, there it is. Park Ranger, yeah, I stuttered. Park Ranger Steve, Park Ranger Daniel. I'll start reading it out, cause, okay, I'm so excited. No, I'm not. We all know what happens in these story games. Something bad goes on, and then we all end up dying or something. We're here. Feel free to have a look around. That's going to mean something. It's so cozy. Are you sure about that? There's no beds. There's not even one kitchen. How do you survive here? Do you just come here? Oh, I like making my freaking fish right here on the campfire. No. Where do you sleep? On the couch? Where's the remote for the TV? I don't know if that's a TV. I think that's a TV. That place was crappy. I'm going to show you a few key locations. Alright, let's go. Hurry up then. Follow me. That's what we're going to do. Now skibbity bobbity and move along. Where's everybody? What? Where? This is going to be something that we're going to need later. I know it. I know it. Wow, 20 years old. Yeah, that's. I would understand if it was like 100,000 years old, but oh wow, wow, yep, wow. How do we even slip on this? I actually want to see if we can slip. No, you can like kind of slide, but not slip. Over here, alright? Where are we going? Ahead of us lies nothing but forest. Go ahead and explore. I'll catch up. Yeah, you better. Now move out my way, you fatty. Oh. I'm gonna go. What was that? Why? It just started. The game just started and they're already gonna throw something like this. Oh. What? It was over there. Then it was over here. Next thing you know, it's going to be somewhere in the trees. Or it's going to be in the abandoned little cave place. I don't even know. Just better not be back at the lodge. That's all I'm about to say. If it is, then I'm not going to be there. I'm not going to be there, so yeah. Why is everybody going this way? Is there something over here? I'm going to see if something's over here. I think there. Oh. What is this? Okay. Wait, I thought. Isn't that going back? That's going back to the beginning. What? Why? Why? Alright, I guess we are going this way. Okay. Yeah, these guys have been damaged. Hey, okay, personal space, coronavirus, nobody has masks, really. And everybody's just near each other. Get away from me. All of you, get away from me. You know what? They probably got the cough and got damaged. That's what I'm going to assume. Now get away from me. Hold the freak. Did I see what I thought I saw? I thought I saw a headless person. Forget it. Literally forget it. No. I would rather stand outside of here than be in a room with a headless person. There's gonna be something out this window. I know it. I know. Oh, I thought I saw something. There better not be nothing, bro. There is so much as a little human, a little gnome. I'm going to shout and scream. You best believe I will, because that is not going. What was that? I thought something moved. Something was moving out there. Everybody's at the window. Everybody's at the window. Something's going to happen for sure. Oh, this is actually a better view. Where? When? How? Where is this thing? Something's going to happen, guys. I know it. There it is. Who is over there crying? Who is over there? I'm not going outside. I know for a fact that if I know anything from any SCP things, I heard one of these things crying exactly like this, and it was not friendly. It was not friendly. I'm going to tell you that. I'm so going to tell you that. But yet, it tells us to go outside anyway. And I don't want to be in the house, because if I do, I feel like it's going to try and do something. What? What the? What's going on? Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? Are we going this way? Or which way are we going? But, okay, I guess we are going this way. Why can't we just come through here? Oh. I literally, oh my god. My memory is terrible. But who is over there crying? Cause shut up. The monster is gonna come for you next, and when it does, everybody's gonna be running back, and I know something's gonna be out there. Who is that? Who is that? Oh, wait, what? Hold on. Is one of the it's what's his name? Park Ranger, Ranger something. Run! Bro, no way, and no dooby if I'm going to sit there and just watch as that thing feeds away on all of us. Nope, I'm leaving. Army Blah, I don't care about you. Leave. Everybody run back to the lodge or something. Go back to the cave. How about that? Just go back to the freaking cave. If this thing is God, it's Zeus or something. It's controlling thunder. And it's literally trying to hurt all of us. I'm literally not going to stop. Move out my way. Those red spots I am not happy about. It didn't follow us. So, wait, how did it know what to shoot? Boy, get over here! Get over here! Come on! Come on! Get over here! Hurry up! Bro, are you seriously playing around? He's playing around. He was over there. Nobody cares about your fancy tricks. Your fancy, smancy, wancy, trancy tricks. We have a headless person. There's a monster out there that ate one of the rangers. And I'm pretty sure we're gonna be next. Something's going. I know something's gonna be out there. I'm watching. I'm watching. I'm watching. I'm watching. They're gonna get me. Oh, Park Ranger Steve is gonna kill us next. I know it. Oh, I thought I saw it. It's gonna be out there. What? Are you sure about that? No, it's not. What the freak was that? Yeah, it's gone because it was never there. What are y'all talking about? Oh my god. I don't even care, bro. We're all gonna die. This is not awesome. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro. No. It said see you soon. I don't want to date you. I don't even want to be by you. Get away from me. I get away from you. No, it's cold outside. I have long sleep. That's not a problem. But she has a problem because she isn't, and he has a problem. So now somebody's gonna get sick, and I know it because this is something the game probably did. Bruh. No. 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 What is going on, bro? Wait. What is going on? That thing is literally going in and out. Bro. What do you mean you don't feel so good? She's sick. She's sick. She's sick. Oh my god, I knew it. She got the corona. Get away from her. She got the coronavirus. Coronavirus. Oh, she's sneezing. Get away. Why are you going near her? Get away from this monstrosity. I don't want to get sick. She over there sneezing. No. Get away from me. I'm just going to stay up here. What? She over there sneezing. Nah. You better not. She over there getting others sick. What? Bro. There's somebody over there sick. I ain't got time for this. Run. Everybody's sick. Get away from me. Nope. Get back. Get back. And get back. Nope. Yeah, yes we will. So let us out. Let us out right now, man. I am not playing. You better let me out. Let me out before I get sick too. Run! I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Forget all of you. I'm leaving. And all the sick, get away from me. I ain't about to get sick because of all of y'all. Goodbye. Where we go? Okay, it says wood collected. Get some firewood at the fire. Oh, get it to restart the fireplace. Okay, grab that. Get away from me, you sick monstrosity. As much as you want to get healed from your sickness, that's how much I don't want to get sick. Okay? Okay, head to the fire. That's not the right fire. Boy, get over here before... Oh my god. He's gonna make it worse. How am I not sick? I've been out here for the longest. I think it's because I have like long sleeves, but that's not really going to help me. Plus, who was the first? Bro. It was her. I knew she was gonna get sick. I knew it was her that was gonna get sick. Because I told you guys, we're going to have a problem with them because they weren't wearing long sleeves. Look at them. She was the first one to get sick. You sicken me. You're sickening me. Now get over here and hurry up. Hurry up, boy. Jesus. I knew it was going to be him or her. Now get your booty over here before we just close the door. Because I really just feel like that. Because you were literally trying to get me and everybody else sick. You got 4 people. 4, 5, 6, 29,865. I don't care. But you better get in the house. You go into that corner. Think about what you've done. Look. He's low. I'm the only one who hasn't been damaged. Boy, what are you doing? Run! Get over here. Get over here right now. Get in the house. Get in the house. Get in the freaking house. He's still sick. Bro. Bro. He's still sick. Did the sick die? I think. Yeah, they did die. We got low on people. The sick did die. I don't want to be in here, bro. There's gonna be something. There's gonna be something. I don't want to be in here. Oh, but if I didn't, I just saw him just get cold, so. I don't want to be in here, though. Cricket, hush up, hush. Hush your mouth. Hush your fucking mouth. What the freak? Oh my god, nope. I was about to say leave. Nah, bruh. Nah, Margaret. Avalanche has blocked our way out. Where did that avalanche come from? I didn't even see one mountain. Where did that come from? Like, did the snow outside on the ground just form into a big snow mountain? And then, we're just going to... Oh, no, I fell. Bruh, nah. Nah, man, no. What are we gonna do now? We're stuck in here with no food. I don't even know how we... As soon as I said something about food. Me too. But I was just about to say that. We have nothing to eat. I'm starving. We'll all die. Yeah, yes we will, but you guys will die first because I haven't been damaged. One way. Wait, you're not... Oh no. No, bruh. No. Yeah. He doesn't mean that. He means that. He means that. He's a cannibal. I'm not going to eat Freak Monique. And if I have to eat something, who are we voting? I don't even know. Okay, guys, I don't know. I don't know. We're just gonna go with the lowest. I mean, he's the lowest, guys. He's the lowest. It's not going... I mean... Did I get... Oh, I got a chicken... I got a chicken leg. Or arm. I'm going to eat the chicken fingers. This is cannibalism, though, guys. This is weird. Guys, why do we have to eat this cake? With the stupid hot stuff. Num. This is why I'm here. Imagine you're eating your food, and every time you eat by somebody, this is what you hear. Alright? Guess us eating has came to an end. What the freak? I just said it was delicious. Yeah, that's what I was like. Liam, you know, obviously, because that's what I was like. I said something that was delicious. Oh, bro, the avalanche is starting for the mine. Oh my god, bro, I'm going in here. I'm going into first person. It's the same as ship walk, and I'm best on ship walk. I didn't even say it. I said sip. Go. Go. Move it! You move it, boy. You move it. Hurry up! Get over here! Move it! Move it! Oh, wait, what? How did you get in here? How did you get in here? Wait, hold up, what's up? And he didn't say not freak about this. You did something. You were over there doing something. I don't know if you're the same monster we seen at the beginning, but you were doing something. I know it. I just want to get out. I don't want to see you. I just want to go home. Okay? So how about you be a good boy and tell me how to get the freak out of here? Where did you even go? Like, what the freak? What? Oh. I heard crying in the woods 2 days ago. I think. A few moments later, a strange creature that came directly from the rock approached you. I managed to escape and hide in the mine through the secret trapdoor tunnel. And you didn't scream, you didn't say nothing. I don't want to talk about that. Oh, see, I don't want to talk about that. Everybody doesn't. Yeah, ... That's what I would say. Tonight, we will need to stay in the lodge. Nope. That's your first problem. That's your first problem right there. That thing sat there, went into there. I'm not going with y'all. Fine, I'll have to go with y'all because I could survive out here because, I'm a man. But, why are these trees different? Look at the tree. Look at the bottom of the tree. Now look at that one. Compare those. What the freaka-lika-monika? I told y'all there's gonna be something wrong with the trees. I knew it's probably gonna be in the trees somewhere. It's the freaking Lorax mouse. He's speaking for the trees. I don't know what the freak is going on. See you soon. No, you won't. So help me. If I could, I would literally open this up, grab one of those sticks with the fire on it, wave it around, throw it straight at your face. Freaking looking like a spring trap. So what are we doing here now, bud? You just put us here? Something's about to happen. I know it. I know. Okay. Why is everybody? Is there something right here? Is there something right here? Nico? Is there something like that? Oh, when did we close the gate? Who went out there and closed the gate? Because I don't remember anybody. Bruh. Yeah. Where is it? Let me out, bro. Let me out. I don't even care anymore. That thing said some booga. What was that? What in freak? Limbo. Your name is Limbo. Well, Limbo, the freak out of here. That's your father. So, this Springtrap mouse thing is your father. How about you close your mouth with your freaking bad looking teeth? Oh, it's gonna be a father something. Nah, bro. Get away from me. Get away from me, boy. Bruh. Nah, bruh. What the freak? Stop doing that. What is... Oh my god, he's doing it. He's doing it. Why do these guys have powers? Why? We have freaking Zeus over there. And then I don't even know what powers he has. If he has powers, they're probably very weak. What are you doing? Oh. No. To the bruh. Nah. Who's bruh, get away from me. What the freak? What the freak are you doing? He had Robux. He just died. He had Robux. I can't say that I don't though. Yeah, I haven't even been damaged yet, bud, so bro, get away from me. Get away from me. That man said some hi, how are ya? Get away. Nobody likes you. When will you know that you're homeless? Your dad doesn't like you. You're adopted. You're a joke. It's just like I said in Survival Disasters. These guys are jokes. They're not supposed to be. Oh, he about to do it again. He about to end it. Bruh, what the freak is going on? I don't even know what's going on. He freaking has his hands behind his back like Naruto. Or Naruto. I'm pretty sure it's Naruto, so Naruto. And he's over here spinning stuff out his freaking mouth. Shut your mouth, both of you. Both of y'all have a wide mouth. He about to be it. I knew he was going to be. You're pulling stuff on me, man. Stop doing this. What are you wanting from us? Oh, that guy died twice now. What, you gonna spend some more Robux? Get away from me! Get away from me, you ugly monster! Bro. I don't even know what to do anymore. Just stay away from me and have at it. Bah! Okay, we're done. Nope, we're not done. We're not done! Bro. Nah, they're about to do something under it. We need to dodge these. Okay, no. He's getting too close. Guys. Get away from me. Get away from me. You ugly pig. You mousy piglet thing. Time to end this. What do you mean? Bruh. That just took us out. That just straight up took us out. Oh my god. No! What are you doing? I know from the creator of this game had a bunch of other games. That the one with the red eyes was from one of them. Then get out of my way. You ruined enough already. What are you talking about, boy? What are you talking about? They're pushing. Whoop them, clap them, beat them up. Dude, bruh. Nightmare. Enough. Oh my god, bro. Bro. Look at this ugly thing. It's time to put an end to this. Okay, I have to do a better voice then. Zach, I'm sorry I hit your daughter with my car. I know how hard it is to lose someone you love. Zach Nolan. What? It's just said Zach Nolan, then it said Jack Logan. Help! The car is rolling away! Help! Zach Nolan / Logan? What? So, let me get this straight. He tried to kill us. And then he ends up saving us? What type of Houdini is that? That's Houdini. Some magic. He must have been under a spell. Because obviously he had 2 different names. And then he was trying to kill us. Then he was over there trying to save us. I don't understand it, but anyways, guys, that was it. This game had me jumping because of what I saw. I'm probably not gonna have nightmares of it though, so like, subscribe. I don't even know. I don't even expect y'all to leave comments, but if you want to, you can. And I will see all of you in the next video.